What's up, guys and girls out there in YouTube land? Tried to do a little bit of fishing today. Didn't do so hot on the fishing. Ended up getting in a freaking small hurricane. Started out this morning, it was kind of calm. Lake was in good shape, but as the day progressed on, we ended up getting into some 40-mile-an-hour winds with gusts up to about 60. It pretty much blew us off the daggone lake. We tried the best we could. We caught one fish. I got it on video, but best part about today is I got to spend time with my dad. Got to spend more time with my youngest son. Got to spend more time with my youngest son, Austin. Y'all probably remember him from the video where he done the little dance at the end. He sure is a hoot. I love that little fella to death. But got what I could get, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to get into it. I want to give out some more shout outs. Been getting a lot more new subscribers and stuff here lately, so appreciate that. But I want to give a shout out to Joy Stewart. Y'all go check out her page. She does a lot of storytelling and stuff like that in hers. I told her one day, I said, I swear you got a novel and you need to print it and get it published. And as always, go out and check out my buddy Chad's Adventures. Man, he's doing a lot of good stuff here lately. Go check him out. Guys, another one to go check out is Passion for Hunting. He's doing a lot of good stuff. He does a lot of vlogs helping people out, helping people get out in the community. But anyway, guys, enough of that. Let's get to the video. Like I said, I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, it was a rough day, but we still got to get outside. God bless y'all, and we'll see you the next time.